Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. In previous videos we discussed about perfect numbers, twin prime numbers. Okay, in today's class we are going to learn about the prime factorization by factor tree method. Then what is this prime factorization? Already you know about factors. For example, you take here 6, it is there in 1 ones a table, 2 ones a table, 3 ones a table and 6 ones a table. So these are the factors of 6. Here we are going to find the prime factors. Dear students, already you know the prime numbers. Prime number means a number which has only 2 factors. Okay. For example, 3 is there, it is there in 1 ones a table and 3 ones a table. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. So a factor which has only a number which has only 2 factors, that type of numbers we are calling the prime factors. Okay. For this, these are the prime numbers. Okay. Here we are going to find the prime factors of the number by using tree method. Means our answer should be in 3, 2, 5, 7, 11, 13 like that. Here we are going to find the prime factors of the number. Okay. By tree method. Prime factorization method means you must and should use only here prime numbers. So I will take some examples from your My Practice Time 4. Use the factor tree method to find the prime factors of the following. Okay. So first main I will take here 6. First one I will take here 6. Then what are these prime factors of the number? Then tell me here 6 is there. Tell me 6 is there in which table? It is there in 2 ones a table. So 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Then tell me 2 3s are 6. 2 is also a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. 2 is also a prime number, 3 is also a prime number. Then write here 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3. Then the prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. 2 into 3 you have to write. Are you getting my point? Next, I will take one more example and that is 8. So take here 8. 8. In which table it is there? It is there in 2 ones a table. Yes. Here you take 2 and 4. Okay. I will solve this example here. See here 8 is there. It is there in 2 ones a table. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Again you take here. So here you stop it because I got here one prime number. Next here 4 is there. It is there in 2 2s are table. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So this type we are spreading the branches like this. For that purpose we are calling this as a tree method. Okay, so here branches are there, they are spreading. So these are the branches. This type of method we are calling the factor tree method. So finally in this I got the prime factors of 8 and they are 2, 2 and 2. So write here 2 into 2 into 2. I hope you are getting my point. Prime factorization method is there means you must and should use here prime numbers. We are here finding here the prime factors of 6 and 8 by tree method. Okay. Let us take one more example. Okay, so here I will take example from your My Practice Time 4 and that is 30. Okay, 30 is there. Then tell me 30 is there in which table? Yes, it is there in 5 ones a table. Yes, it is there in 5 ones a table. Means 5 how much the 30? 5 6 the 30. 5 6 the 5 6 the 30. So 5 is a prime number. Okay. Next here 6 is there, but 6 is not a prime number, it is composite number. Again I need to split this number. Then tell me in which table 6 is there? It is there in 2 ones a table. So write here 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Dear students, already you know about factors. Factor means a number which divides the number exactly without leaving the remainder. But here we are finding the prime factors of the number. Prime factors means the number should be a prime number. For them we are calling a prime numbers a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So here 5 is a prime number, 2 is also a prime number, and 3 is also a prime number. So take right here 5 into 2 into 3. So these are the prime factors of what? 30. Okay. Next I will take one more example. Okay, and take here 45. Okay, here 45 is there. 45 is there. So here 45 is there in which table? Yes, it is there in 9 ones a table. Otherwise you can take 5 9s are. 5 9s are 45. Next here what is there? 9 is there in 3 ones a table. 5 9s are 45, and here 3 3s are 9. So the prime factors of 45 are 5 into 3 into 3, and you put this mark all the side. Okay, next I will take one more example. So I will take here 19. I will take here 19. Yes, 19 is there in 1 19s are 19. Okay, 1 19s are 19. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So its factor is 19. You can write here 19 ones are 19 or 1 19s are 19. You can write here only 19. Next I will take one more example, and that is 72. Okay, then tell me 72 is there in which table? Yes, it is there in 2 ones a table. Okay, it is there in 2 ones a table. So 2 how much are? 2. See here, divide this 72. I will get here 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Again you take here 2. 2 6s are 12. 0 0 means 2 36s are. How much will come here? 2 36s are 72. Okay. Next, dear student, see here 36 is there in which table? Yes, it is there in 6 ones are table. Okay. Or it is there in, yes, it is there in 2 18s are. Okay, 2 18s are also there. 2 18s are 36. 18 2s are 36 or 2 18s are. Again it is there in 2 ones are table. 2 9s are. Okay, let us solve this example here. I will solve once again. See here. Here you take 72. 72 is there in 2 36 are. Next 36 is there in 2 ones are table. 2 18s are. Again 18 is there in 2 9s are. Again it is there in 3 3s are. So last up to here stop it, because I got here what? All prime numbers. 2 2 2 3 3. So here you take 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 1 2 3, and here one more 3 is there. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Or you are following one more method, that is 72. Yes, it is there in which table? 2 36. Okay, again if you are taking 6 6, and if you are taking here 2 3s and 2 3s, this is also correct and that is also correct. I hope you are getting my point. Dear students, here you have few more examples. Solve neatly and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, see here one more method is there here. See what is there, that is they given like this 72, and here fill in the circles and the boxes. Okay, like this it is there 2 36. Okay, next here 2, and what is there here? Here box is there, here also box is there. Next here what is there? 2, and here box is there. 9 is there, and here there is no digit. Here 9 is there, and here there is a box, and here dash dash. Like this fill in the boxes are there. It is 48. Next here 2 circle is there. Next dash 12 is there. Next here 2 dash is there. Next 3 is there. Okay, so here you have some fill in the blanks. Okay, so 36 is there. 2 36 here you have to write 2 36 72. 2 how much 36? Yes, 2 18 36. 2 9 18. 3 3 9. Okay, they given fill in the blanks. 2 36 72. 2 18 36. 2 9 18. 3 3 9. So here 48 is there. So how much will come here? 2 24 2 24 next here 2 12 2 6 2 3 6 2 6 12 2 12 24 2 24 48. So this is what factor tree method. In next class I will discuss use the division method to find the prime factorization of prime factor of the number. Okay, to find the prime factors we have two methods, prime factorization method and a division method. In this class I taught prime factorization method, and in next class I will discuss the division method. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.